As consumers, we expect brands to help us faster, to know us better, and be useful in our daily lives. And as marketers, it's really important to understand these expectations, because you're not now competing with the best experience that a consumer can have in your category. You're competing with the best experience that consumer can have anywhere.
We are constantly thinking about different ways in which we can make the web faster and more frictionless for all users. That's why the organic search team back in January announced that starting July of this year, your landing page load times will become a factor in organic search ranking. And if you didn't already know, speed also has an impact on your return on advertising spend. And it's pretty simple. Faster loading pages provide users a better landing page experience, and landing page experience is a critical factor in the quality score algorithm. And we, just like our friends over in the organic search side, continue to look into how we may want to further factor landing page speed into our advertising systems. First up, I'm excited to announce our new speed scorecard. This is something we launched today at Mobile World Congress. It's a simple-to-use tool designed for digital advertisers and marketers that helps you understand how fast your site is relative to other companies, which effectively means your competitors. And the thing that's tremendously cool about this, unlike all the other tools out there that simulate what your page loads from a server in Seattle, Washington, this data comes from real users. It's anonymously collected from Chrome user logs. So the numbers that you see here reflect exactly how people are encountering your website, not how some web crawler thinks it loads. We've covered how fast you are relative to competitors. The second problem that we hear a lot from advertisers is, but how do I prioritize this? I've got 20 other things I need to be doing. How do I put it in dollar terms? How do I convince my web team that this is more important than some of the house cleaning they have to do? And that's where the second launch we're doing today, the impact calculator, comes into play. By entering a few pieces of information, our goal here is to help you understand in general what money you may be leaving on the table by not having a faster site. The thing I'd urge you all to check out is an exciting open source initiative called Accelerated Mobile Pages, or AMP for short. In fact, studies we've done on AMP pages versus their standard HTML cousins is that AMP pages load 85% faster than conventional HTML pages. Now, as of today, you can send all of your paid search traffic directly to AMP pages, which should provide users that lightning-fast, delightful experience that they've come to expect, as Matt told us earlier. In the coming months, we plan to change the way ad serving works through an initiative we call parallel tracking. Parallel tracking will ensure that when your customer clicks the ad, they go directly to your website, nothing in between. And all of the good and important click measurement happens, but it just kind of happens on the side, and it happens quietly. And it does not slow down the user when it comes to interacting and engaging with your content. Therefore, I'd like to give you all a challenge as you leave Mobile World Congress this week to go find out how fast your site is, how fast it is relative to your competitors, and determine how much money you may be leaving on the table by not having a faster site.